everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious recipe. I'll be making creamy egg peas curry or anda matar di curry. I'll be using 7 boiled eggs. You can use less or more. And those sweet peas are frozen. If you like, you can use fresh. 1 red onion, 1 tomato. Olive oil for tadka. Since we're going to make it creamy egg peas curry, we're going to use 1 cup heavy whipping cream and butter, 2 tablespoons. This is unsalted butter. You can skip this part if you don't like butter. 1 tablespoon 3G paste. I have a poster video on my channel, so please check it out. It's a ginger garlic green chili paste. Organic tomato sauce, 1/4 cup. All the spices will be 1 teaspoon each. Cilantro, cumin seed, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, and salt. And let's start making our delicious creamy egg peas curry. Start burner. Get a fry pan. First we're going to add olive oil, 1 tablespoon. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin. Give like a 10 seconds and this is good enough. Add ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Mix it. Cook until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. Onions are nicely translucent. Add tomatoes. Mix it well. Once nicely combined, spread it evenly. Bring your gas to medium and cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. It's exactly 3 minutes. Mix it. Tomatoes are nicely tender. Add all spices. Salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala. Mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for half minute. Cooking spices with tadka for half minute. Add tomato sauce. Mix it well. Cook tomato sauce along with tadka 1 minute. Cooking tomato sauce with tadka for 1 minute. Add sweet peas. Mix it well. Once nicely combined, add 1 cup water. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly on medium gas. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking peas with the tadka. Cooking for 3 minutes. The peas don't take that long to cook. I'll add boiled eggs. This is what I wanted to do. Just slice it like this, halfway. The whole reason I'm doing it, when we are putting in, it will soak up all the masala. Just like this, just halfway. So I'm going to do the same thing. Mix it. Once nicely combined, add 2 tablespoons butter and heavy whipping cream. And bring your gas to low. Cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes. cooking on a low gas. Mix it. And now the last ingredient, add cilantro. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, turn off your gas. I have my serving platter ready and I'm going to dish out. Rich, creamy curry. Let me share with you. Prior to serving, add some cream. This is a perfect recipe. It's a creamy Matar egg curry. Please try it and you're going to like it. This is the perfect recipe for your main course dish. So please try it and share your comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.